Hello and welcome to Two For You. So I'm going to start with a question today. Denise, when's the last time, or tell me about a recent time in community where you connected with somebody really quickly in a positive way?
Just yesterday morning, I was walking to work and I have a pedestrian crosswalk, and a gentleman came up in his truck and stopped, and as I walked by, I kind of waved to him and said, mouthed, "Thank you." And he looked at me and he looked a little surprised, but he smiled and he waved and he said, "You're welcome." And I think we both felt kind of good after doing that.
Yeah, so that's what we're going to talk about this month. So Barabara Fredrickson talks about in her research these two different parts that really were highlighted in Denise's story. The first one, micro moments, right? So these really short connections, these quick connections that happen with others that create a positive feeling. And they don't have to be long, so it can be checking out with somebody or seeing the same cute dog in the park or laughing at the same joke or just finding something really short connection. And what she talks about is the importance of those micro moments because they create something called positivity resonance.
And so the positivity resonance that Lori mentioned is that sense that you have these emotions going back and forth between you, the two of you. So it's like a mind meld, which I think is a great picture to think that the two of you have become one. Just for that micro moment, you've become one.
Yeah, in research, so we knew about this a little bit earlier with parents and children, but it's interesting they're finding even these micro moments are doing that, and what's happening is it's creating both these positive emotions in your own body, so you're increasing your own well-being, your own health, and all the other positive attributes that the research has found. It also is creating, because of the mind meld, creating this positive well-being in others, and what it does is it also breaks down this kind of barrier we have when we first see others, and it creates kind of this ability to see others kind of as the whole person, so it increases social connection in community.
Right, and so this month, as you live and lead with intention, we ask you to reach out to the people in your community as leaders and simply make that connection with someone, create your own micro moment.